I'm Renée Rouleau. Let's talk about skin type 7. The name of skin type 7 is dry, tired aging. I know this one doesn't sound very fun, but let me explain. The symptoms are skin feels tight and dry year round. So if you're somebody that really feels like you need a lot of hydration, you're always focused on keeping the skin really moist and dewy, and you don't have a problem with products breaking you out or causing clogged pores, then you might be a skin type 7. A skin type 7 might also be somebody that has enlarged pores in the T-zone and some blackheads. So you might have been oilier when you were younger, and those are the formative years for your pores. So if you are a skin type 7, you could still have some large pores, and you might also notice that with age, your pores have gotten larger. So skin type 7 definitely addresses trying to make those pores look smaller. A skin type 7 may have hyperpigmentation and brown spots. So I use the word may. That doesn't mean you must have this, but if you have brown spots, melasma, freckles, and you're looking to make those more even tone, then skin type 7 definitely addresses that. This is the part about the skin looking tired in need of a glow. Of course, no one wants their skin to look tired, and everybody wants their skin to look dewy and glowy. But skin type 7 typically has no sensitivity to it, so you're not somebody that gets red or pink easily, or redness that lingers. You're somebody that kind of feels like the skin looks kind of on the yellower side, that you almost want to bring that pinkness to the skin. A lot of the products in skin type 7 are about boosting circulation and oxygen to the skin, and all skin types need that in theory, but we're trying to almost create a little pinkness in the skin because your skin doesn't kind of circulate as well. You also are somebody that is noticing a loss of tone in the skin and a loss of elasticity. So if you're wanting kind of a tighter and firmer look to the skin, then you might be a skin type 7. Lastly, you're looking to keep your skin healthy and smooth, and you're concerned about aging. Of course, all skin types want that, but this is kind of your main focus, meaning you're not worried about breakouts, you're not worried about sensitivity, you're not worried about redness in the skin. You want a really good, comprehensive anti-aging routine to keep visible wrinkles away. Typically, a skin type 7 is going to be age 40 and beyond. That's not to say you can't be younger, you certainly can be, but really once you hit 40, that's when the skin circulation is slowing down, and your focus is typically on all the aging concerns that you have with your skin. We sell our skin type kits in 3 different collections. This is the basic. This is 3 products. So if you're somebody that just says, hey, I want to start the Renée Rouleau line, but I don't want to have a lot of products, then the basic kit would be great to start with. Then we have the Essentials collection. This is 6 products. So if you're somebody that you're like, hey, I like to add a few other bells and whistles. I like to use a serum. I want to make sure I kind of have a little bit of a comprehensive routine, but I don't want to use a ton of products, then the Essentials would be really nice. And then we have the Complete. So this is 10 to 12 products for your skin type. This is really good if you really want to dive in. You're somebody that likes to take out time for eye creams or a mask. You like to do, a few other things above and beyond a lot of the basics, then this could be for you. When you order one of the skin type kits, you're going to get this great little card, and it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to use the products. I think that's always confusion for people. How do I use it? I have these new products. Am I using it day or night? And we take all of the guesswork out for you and give you this card, so that will be included when you order. If you have additional questions or want to determine your skin type, be sure to take the skin type quiz at reneerouleau.com. And we also can offer a personalized skin consultation with one of our estheticians. It's called My Skin RX, and you can do it via video or over the phone, and it allows one of our estheticians to really make sure that you're in the right skin type, so they can help determine the best game plan for your skin so you can be on your way to the Renée Rouleau glow.